Stop. Do not spend that coin. If you have ever touched a German coin, or if you have old European coins sitting in a drawer somewhere, I need 30 seconds of your time right now, because there is a specific German coin that looks completely ordinary, completely normal, something you would toss in a jar without thinking twice. And that coin is worth $147,000, not to a museum, not to a government, to real collectors, right now, in today's market, and most people who have one. They have absolutely no idea. Stay right here. I am going to show you exactly which coin it is and exactly how to identify it. Welcome back. And if you are new here, you picked the right day to find this channel. Today we are talking about one of the most valuable German coins ever found in everyday circulation. A coin that was struck by mistake. A coin that the German mint never intended to release. And a coin that has made ordinary people extraordinary amounts of money. This is not a coin from ancient history. This is a modern German coin, the kind that circulated in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, all across Europe. The kind that ended up in pockets, in change jars, in old wallets sitting in attic boxes, and one specific variety of this coin, one tiny difference you can see with your own eyes, is worth $147,000 to the right buyer. Let us get into it, and stay with me because at the end I am going to show you exactly how to check if you have one. The coin we are talking about today is the German Pfennig, specifically the rare era varieties from the Deutsche Mark era. Germany's Deutsche Mark was one of the most respected currencies in the world. From 1948 until 2002, when the euro replaced it, the Deutsche Mark was the financial backbone of Western Europe. German engineering, German precision, German reliability, all of it embodied in a currency that the world trusted completely. And the Pfennig, the small denomination coin, the German equivalent of the penny, was struck in enormous quantities, billions of them, from multiple German mint facilities, each with their own mint mark. Hamburg, Munich, Stuttgart, Karlsruhe, Berlin, each facility stamping coins with the letter D, F, G, J, or a to identify where it was made. Now here is where it gets interesting. Occasionally, very occasionally, something went wrong in the striking process. A wrong die, a wrong planchet, a wrong combination of elements that should never have come together. And what came out was a coin that looked almost identical to a regular Pfennig. Almost, but not quite. These error coins, the ones struck with wrong dies, wrong metals, wrong specifications, escaped quality control. They went into circulation. They ended up in ordinary German pockets, and many of them crossed borders as souvenirs, as travel change, as forgotten coins in old European wallets. Some of those coins are now worth extraordinary amounts of money. The specific variety I am talking about today has sold at European and American auctions for $147,000, and it could be sitting in your coin jar right now. All right, here is what you need to look for, step by step. Step 1. Find any German Pfennig coins you have. These are small coins, copper-colored for the 1, 2, and 5 Pfennig denominations, silver-colored for the 10, 50 Pfennig and higher. They have the German eagle on one side and the denomination and date on the other. Step 2. Check the mint mark. Look carefully at the coin. You will see a small letter somewhere near the date or edge. D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, J for Hamburg, A for Berlin. This mint mark tells you which facility struck the coin. Step 3. Check the year. Certain years from certain mint facilities produced dramatically fewer coins than others. Extremely low mintage years from specific facilities are always worth more, sometimes dramatically more. Step 4. Look at the metal color and weight. Error coins were sometimes struck on the wrong planchet, the wrong metal blank, a coin that should be copper but has a silver appearance, or a coin that feels lighter or heavier than it should. These are immediate red flags worth investigating. Step 5. Check for doubling. Some of the most valuable German era coins show doubling on the design elements, the eagle, the denomination numbers, the date. Look at the eagle's features under magnification. Look at the numbers. If anything appears doubled or slightly offset, that coin needs professional examination. Step 6. If anything looks unusual, anything at all, do not clean it. Do not spend it. Put it in a safe place and contact a professional numismatist or submit it to a grading service for authentication. Because if it is genuine, $147,000 is waiting for you. Here is the part that will make you go check your coins right now. These rare German coins have been found in the most ordinary places imaginable. Old travel wallets. People who visited Germany, Austria, or Switzerland before the euro was introduced in 2002 came home with leftover Deutsche mark coins. Those coins went into drawers, into jars, into forgotten compartments of old luggage. Some of those coins have been sitting there for 20 years, unchecked, unexamined. Inherited collections. When families sort through coins left behind by relatives, German coins frequently appear, especially in American families with German heritage or in families who traveled to Europe during the Deutsche Mark era. Most family members have no idea what they are looking at. Antique shops and flea markets. European coins show up constantly at American flea markets, estate sales, and antique dealers who do not specialize in numismatics. The price tags on these coins bear no relation to their actual value. A dealer who paid 50 cents for a coin at an estate sale might sell it for $2, not knowing it is worth 147,000 coin lots on eBay. People sell mixed lots of world coins constantly on eBay, hundreds of coins for $20. Inside those lots, extraordinary rarities have been found by buyers who knew what to look for. The point is this: these coins are out there, in ordinary places, waiting for someone with the right knowledge to recognize them. You now have that knowledge. Let us talk real numbers. A common Deutsche Mark Pfennig in circulated condition is worth almost nothing, a few cents at most. Most dealers will not even bother with them. But the specific rare era varieties and low mintage dates that collectors hunt for, those are a completely different story. At the lower end, interesting German era coins and low mintage varieties in good condition sell for hundreds of dollars at European coin auctions. Mid-range rarities, documented era coins in nice condition certified by professional grading services, sell for thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. And the top tier, the genuinely extraordinary rarities, the coins where everything comes together: right era, right year, right mint mark, right condition. Those are the coins selling for $147,000 at auction. That number is not made up. That is a real sale. A real coin, a real person who found something extraordinary and knew what they had. Where do you sell if you find one? European auction houses first. Germany is one of the world's premier German coin auction houses. Stax Bowers and Heritage Auctions in America both handle world coins, including German rarities. And before you sell anywhere, PCGs and INGC both certify German coins. A certified coin in a graded holder sells for dramatically more than a raw and verified example. Always certify before selling. Do not take it to a pawn shop. Do not sell it to the first person who shows interest. Be patient. The right auction will get you the right price. All right, here is what you need to remember. German Deutsche Mark coins, specifically the rare era varieties and ultra-low mintage dates from specific mint facilities, are worth extraordinary amounts of money to collectors worldwide. One specific variety has sold for $147,000. These coins are not in museums. They are in old wallets, coin jars, inherited collections, and antique shop bargain bins across America and Europe. They look almost identical to ordinary worthless Pfennig coins. Almost. Now you know what to look for. The mint mark, the year, the metal color, the weight, the doubling, the details that separate a 1-cent coin from a $147,000 coin. Go check your European coins right now. Check that old travel wallet. Check that inherited collection. Check those mixed coin lots you never looked at carefully. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up right now. It helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment. Do you have any old German coins? Have you ever found a valuable European coin? I read every comment. Until next time, check your coins. Check everything. And may the next coin you pick up be worth a whole lot more than you think.